Mary Lincoln nĩ arakorirwo akĩhotwo nĩ Maithori mũthenya wa ira. She broke down into tears yesterday, and this was after a group of her friends arĩa mareĩtaga Team Mary Lincoln kũmumĩrĩra na kũmũsurprise na birthday rĩa gatatũ. As you may know, Mary Lincoln nĩ arakorirwo agĩbangĩrwo birthday party igĩrĩ, and now this became the third birthday party. Na ũndũ ũcio ũramũhota mũno kuona atĩ andũ no marathiĩ na mbere kũmuonia wendo, andũ no marathiĩ na mbere kũmũ-celebrate. Na ũndũ wa magegania mũno nĩ atĩ nginya andũ matamũĩ on a personal level, people she has never met, just people who are just fans of her on Facebook, nĩo maranyitanire na kũmumĩrĩra na kũmũ-surprise with this birthday party, and she broke down into tears of joy, tears of happiness, na nginya marakorwo makĩmũ-gift kĩheo, a wonderful portrait of her nĩyo ĩno haha, with some encouraging and loving words for Mary Lincoln that read, "We thank God for you and for filling this world with a star like you, a legend and an icon. We love and appreciate the gospel you spread in your music. We celebrate you." Wow. Na oho, they also gifted her another birthday cake. This makes it her third birthday cake, and they celebrated together. Mararĩanĩra hamwe, marakenanĩra hamwe. And she also shared this, a thank you message to them akiuga, "Ngai wakwa nĩ nyonete tu ũrĩa wĩkaga arata aku. Thank you Jesus, what a surprise. #Team Mary Lincoln. May God bless you, Aki." And these are some of the lovely photos from the birthday party. Na ndũkariganĩrwo gũ-subscribe, never miss an update on the latest Kikuyu celebrity news. Subscribe now for the latest and trending gossip.